Hello and welcome to Design and Analysis of Algorithm course. My name is Burhan Walamna from DAA University at Computer Science Department. I have been teaching more than 5 years at this university. This material is belongs to DAA University, so reproduction and distributions of this material is strictly prohibited. If you are here, it means you are ready to dive into one of the most exciting areas of computer science. So in this course, we will explore the hearts of how software works, optimizing code, solving problems efficiently, and analyze different solutions. So today we will start the first chapter, which is Introduction and Elementary Data Structure. When we see the objectives of this chapter, at the end of the chapter, a student will be able to explain the fundamentals of algorithm analysis, including time and space complexity, apply asymptotic notation such as big O, big omega, and big theta to evaluate algorithm efficiently. The third objective is analyzing and compare algorithms based on their performance for different input size. And the other one is describe and utilize basic data structure, particularly heap and hashing data structure in problem solving. Demonstrate understanding of how data structure impacts algorithm efficiency. But before we get into all the technical details, let's start the basic one first. As introduction, student, you should understand some basic terms like program. So a program is a set of instructions written by programmer, or it is a sequence of commands that we write in a programming language like Python, Java, C++, PHP, and other programming languages. As you see here, this is a basic and simple program that shows each and every commands. So each line of code is known as commands, or it is known as instructions. This is the first instruction. The first one includes stdio.h. This is the first instruction. This one is another instruction, and this one is another instruction, and this one is another instruction. This one is another instruction also. So the whole things are known as program. This is known as program, and this is written by C programming language. And the other thing that you should know is a program consists of two basic things. The first one is the way to organize the data, and the second one is sequence of steps to solve the problem. The way to organize the data means the program will contain data structure. And the second one is sequence of steps to solve problem, which is called algorithm. So in general, a program will contain data structure and algorithm. And the other basic thing that you should know is data structure. You have to know about data structure. So data structure are a way of organizing and storing data so that it can be accessed and manipulated efficiently. Once we organize the data, we have to access and manipulate that organized data. Think of them as a container that holds and organizes data. So different container, as you know, different container are better for different types of tasks.